If you're anything like me, you want to take care of certain things on your own around the house, but you may not realize you're doing these things that can actually harm your home. Bright bulbs. Making sure you have a well-lit space is one of the best things that you can do to show it off. The truth of the matter is, if you have a bulb that is too bright, you're also increasing the amount of heat that that bulb is putting out. If you have too bright a bulb, you may actually do some damage to the fixture because it overheats and it could cause a fire. Messing up mirrors. Glass cleaner works really well for cleaning mirrors, but did you know that by spraying it directly on the surface, you could be causing problems you're not even aware of? That's because the ammonia-based cleaners that are found in most glass cleaners actually can cause the reflective backing on a mirror to start to peel off and disintegrate. Could cause a black ring around the surface if you're letting even a single drop get in close around the frame. Overpowered Range Hood. If you're planning on doing a kitchen remodel and you're looking for a new range hood, don't go overboard. Most people don't realize this, but there's actually a specification for how much air that range hood should move. Unfortunately, if you get something that's too powerful, it can cause other problems inside your home, such as smoke coming back inside the house if you have a fireplace, or other exhaust fumes from your water heater or furnace causing problems as well. You're good. Plan where you plant. Everybody loves trees, right? Right. But you gotta be careful where you plant them, because if you don't know how fast or how large it may grow, if you're planting too close to a sidewalk or a driveway, you can cause a lot of problems down the road. Problems with pressure washing. Maybe you have some moss growing on the side of your house. Maybe you got some chipping and peeling paint on a deck that you want to take off. Be careful not to go overboard with the pressure washer. If the setting is too high, you can cause a lot more damage than anything good you might be doing on the flip side. Oversized air conditioning. While you may think getting a supersized air conditioning could be good for your house, the truth is it causes more problems. If you have something that's too big, it's going to run in short bursts, which is considered short cycling. Not only is this going to use up more energy, it could also cause damage to the unit because it's not functioning properly during a normal use. Mulching Mania. Most people think that when you're spreading mulch in your landscaping, more is better, right? Wrong. If you have too much, it can actually cause harm to your plants by suffocating the root system, causing your plants to die. Don't mow too low. This is one that I probably found myself guilty of more times than not. I don't like mowing, so I wanted to go as far between mowing times as possible, so I'd cut it extremely short. That is a major problem. Not only is it bad on your grass, it also allows more weeds to grow because the extra light can actually hit the soil surface. Hey, thanks for checking out the Aaron Advantage. As always, you can find the link to the article where I found this information in the description on this video. If you know of other things that you might be doing at home that could cause more harm than good, let me know in the comments down below. Be sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel to stay up to date with everything I post.